Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Asana to manage brand projects end-to-end, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To withdraw from a project in Asana, first, log into your Asana account. Navigate to your workspace where the project is located. Locate the brand project you wish to withdraw from on your project list. Click on the project name to open the project details. At the top right corner of the project page, find and click the Share button. In the drop-down menu, look for your name under the Members section. Hover over your name to reveal a few options. Select the Remove Me from Project option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove yourself. Confirm your decision by clicking the Remove button. You will then be successfully withdrawn from the project. Review your remaining projects to ensure you have transitioned smoothly. If you have any tasks assigned to you within that project, reassign them to another team member before. Remember to communicate with your team about your decision to withdraw. This helps maintain clarity and ensures that project responsibilities are properly managed. Keep track of any final updates regarding the project even after your withdrawal. After you've withdrawn, revisit your Asana dashboard to stay updated on other active projects. That's the step-by-step process on how to withdraw using Asana for managing brand projects end-to-end. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.